In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix forms to your website, customize the fields and workflows to best fit your needs, and then connect these forms to a database or email for optimal data management. Let's walk through this process together to ensure your website is equipped with a powerful tool for gathering and storing information. First, let's begin with adding a new form to your site. Log into your Wix account and access the editor. On the left-hand side, you'll notice the Add button. It resembles a plus sign. Click on it and then select Contact Forms from the list of options. This will display various form templates that Wix offers. Choose the form template that suits your needs, whether it's a simple contact form or something more detailed, and then drag it onto your web page. Position it wherever you'd like it to appear. Remember, this is the first impression people will have of contacting you through your website, so make sure it's visually appealing and strategically placed. Now that your form is on the page, it's time to customize the fields. Click on the form and you'll see a menu appear. Click on Form Settings. Here you can add, remove, and rename fields as needed, ensuring the form asks for all the necessary information you're looking to collect. If you want to add a new field, select the Add New Field option. A drop-down menu will offer various field types such as text, email, phone number, and more. Select the one that aligns with the information you wish to gather. You can also rearrange the fields to control the order in which they appear. This customization ensures your form is precisely tailored to your needs, enhancing the user experience and improving the quality of the data you collect. Once you have configured the fields to your liking, let's talk about workflows. Under the Form Settings, navigate to the Automation tab. This is where you can set up automatic responses and actions that occur when someone submits a form. For example, you can send an immediate thank you email to the user or notify your team via email that a new submission has occurred. These automations are crucial for maintaining engagement with your audience and streamlining your workflow. Finally, it's time to connect your form to a database or an email recipient. In the Form Settings, go to the Submissions tab. You'll find options to connect the form data to a Wix database, enabling all your form submissions to be stored in a structured manner online. Alternatively, you can input an email address where all submissions can be sent directly to your inbox. This is perfect for those who want real-time alerts of new submissions without accessing the Wix dashboard. And there you have it. With your form added, fields customized, workflows established, and data connections in place, your Wix website is now equipped to handle information gathering efficiently and effectively. Whether capturing leads, gathering feedback, or creating a seamless contact point, your form will serve as a vital tool for